create the tag lead form submission. This is again similar as thank you page which we have created for this one, for this GF4 analytics. But again, when we create GF4 analytics, it starts appearing in customer acquisition, custom goals. We actually want it here, and thus realization is so late. So now, when it is here, now I want to we had I want so we will go by conversion goals, and we will create through Google Ad directly to Google Tag Manager. And earlier, the this what happens is that we create events in Google Tag that comes in GA4, and GA4 brings it here. So it becomes this customer acquisition, right? Which we don't want. We want it here. The conversion goals which we want it here, and we can have submission or scroll depth, time on site, those customer acquisition metrics which appears in GF4, that we will have it here. So now, but we had already created one lead ad form submission, but that got deleted. That is already a query question we created on 17th April, and we have the video also. But now, when we create again next time, what we will do, we will click on this, and we will have to go and click on this, and we will go click on this, and these two numbers we will be needing. Now, we will head over to Tag Manager, right? And we will head over to Tag, and um, what we name it Google Ad, Goo- Google Ad lead lead form submission, right? Google Ad lead form submission. We will click here, right? This one is what Google Ad conversion tracking, right? So we will click here, Google Ad conversion tracking, and we will need this conversion ID. And so this is directly now coming from this is now directly coming from Google Ads. But where is Google Ads? I'm not getting. We can close this. Yeah, yeah. Hmm. We click here. No, we got it. No, no, we just got it some time ago. Huh? We will click AdWords. We will click this. Mhm. So there was already an integration tag, and that got deleted. So that is more complex a situation. So we will go to goals. We'll go to summary, and then this one we will click. Then we will go down. Now you see another thing. This got deleted, and why we are creating again? This got deleted means the tag that we had created, that got deleted, and that's why we found this issue. Is that when we click here needs attention, that your tag is inactive for so many days, right? So that's what. Now we click here. We will go down. We will click here. We will click on Google Tag Manager, and this is the conversion ID. Now, this is the conversion ID. I will plug it here, and when this is the conversion label, when I copy this, right, I will type it here, right, and then I will go to right. uh, trigger. Again, in fact, we can Google add lead form submission. We will do this. This page view, some page, container ID not, page path, right? Contains, right? Uh, thank you, right? Contains this. Go here, contains this. Just let me check if I'm missing. Yeah, so I just checked again. So this is right. Yes, I will save this. This is Google Ad lead form submission, and I will submit this. Google Ad lead form submission submitted. I will publish this, and right now this should start working. Summary. We should keep an eye and see if this should start working. Right, the lead form submission. Right, we will look into this. Right, you can see that now it is says that Google Ad lead form submission is also fired. Conversion linker is also fired. Right. So now this issue should solve. Conversion tag is inactive. I think if after some time, yeah, this issue got solved. So it's now more telling needs attention. Now it tells no recent conversion. Right. So that's it.